A rectangle has length 3 meters more than its width. If its area is 40 square meters, find the dimensions by setting up and solving a quadratic equation. We start by defining the width of the rectangle as w and expressing its length as w plus 3. The formula for the area of a rectangle is length times width, which gives us the equation 40 equals open bracket w plus 3 close bracket w. By expanding the equation and rearranging it into standard quadratic form, we obtain w squared plus 3w minus 40 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation in the variable w. We solve the quadratic equation by factoring. We look for two numbers that multiply to minus 40 and add to 3, which are 8 and minus 5. Thus, the equation factors into open bracket w plus 8 close bracket open bracket w minus 5 close bracket equals 0. Using the zero product property, we find w plus 8 equals 0 or w minus 5 equals 0. Solving these gives w equals minus 8 or w equals 5. Since a dimension cannot be negative, w equals 5 is the valid solution for the width. With the width determined as 5 meters, we calculate the length as w plus 3 equals 5 plus 3 equals 8 meters. Therefore, the rectangle's dimensions are 5 meters by 8 meters.